Tired of just tacos on Tuesday? These tacos are good for any day of the week. That's right, Dherbs raw walnut tacos. So, it's me, Chef Redbeard here with Dherbs Kitchen, and we're making, you guessed it, tacos. These tacos are especially special. These are brain and heart healthy tacos. We're using raw soaked walnuts. So for these tacos, again, raw soaked walnuts, some avocado, a little diced Roma tomato. The taco shell, because they're raw, we're using purple cabbage. I've made some cups out of cabbage. In the grocery store, you can see cabbage of all sizes. Green cabbage, white cabbage, which should be green, or purple cabbage. The smaller the head, the more tender, the better. This is a smaller cabbage. You can kind of see about the size it was. I took the inner closer to the heart of the cabbage. That's where you find the most tender. For the outer leaves, not included in this recipe, but this can be added as a garnish. It's completely up to you. Taking those outer leaves and I've sliced them to make a slaw to add to our tacos. So it'll be cabbage on cabbage taco. First, to make the taco meat, if you're familiar with this, no clue. For your new guys, soak the walnuts. This is about a cup and a half of walnuts. They've been soaked overnight in some water. They've been rinsed, and so they're malleable enough to go into our blender without being mealy. Next to that, we're gonna add some spice mix. This is a traditional taco spice mix. There is cumin, there is some cayenne, there's some paprika in there, a little bit of salt. Here we have some Mexican oregano. You can use dried oregano, Mexican oregano, because we're making tacos. We'll just make it taste that much better. To add some more flavor and seasoning, we're adding coconut amino. And of course, in our high-speed blender, we're gonna blitz that, adding extra virgin olive oil until we get a consistency that looks like ground turkey or ground beef product. Okay, perfect. So our taco meat or our walnut product is at the consistency that I like. Looks like ground beef or ground turkey to me. Again, we want to taste for seasoning. This is my spoon. You should have several spoons in your kitchen. Just to taste, discard, grab another. Seasoning is perfect. I think we're ready to build tacos. So again, our taco shells, I think 3. I like odd numbers. So, with another clean spoon, we'll go in, and I say about 2.5 ounces. You can kind of eyeball, but that's a serving. Just as long as it fits in your cup. Let's get a little avocado in there. This is just sliced avocado. You can dice the avocado if you like. You can omit the avocado if you'd also like. But this adds some nice fat, some cool texture. Then we'll add, let's say, some diced tomato. Beautiful. Quick, simple, raw, delicious snack, meal, dinner, any of the Dherbs cleanses. This is a perfect go-to. These are the raw walnut tacos. Enjoy.